Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we will complete the rest of the chapter 5, the vowels of English. If you didn't see the previous video, I highly recommend you to watch it. If you have done that already, let's dive in. We will start with diphthongs. It's a strange name, isn't it? Take it easy mate, because it's very simple. The word diphthong comes from the Greek and means two voices or two sounds. In phonetics, a diphthong is a smooth glide from one vowel position to another. The whole glide acts like one of the long simple vowels. The process of moving from one vowel sound to another is called gliding, which is why another name for a diphthong is a gliding vowel, but they are also known as compound vowels, complex vowels, or moving vowels. The sound change that turns a single vowel into the diphthong is called diphthongization. Very nice. But how many diphthongs are there in English language? So let's see. Diphthongs is pure vowels subdivided into subcategories. Since diphthongs is subdivided into closing and centering diphthongs. As you know, diphthongs are composed of two vowels. Hence we call some diphthongs closing, because they end with I sound, which is closing vowel. Similarly, we call some diphthongs centering because they end with schwa sound, which is a centering vowel. With that being said, let's describe each sound separately. We will start describing diphthongs with closing diphthongs. There are 5 closing diphthongs in English. 3 of them end with I, the closed front vowel, and 2 of them end with O, the back closed vowel. The first one is A diphthong. The glide begins in the position for A, moving up and slightly back towards I, as in stay. Next we have I diphthong. This diphthong begins with an open vowel which is between front and back. It's quite similar to the A sound and ends in the closed front position, as in sky. The last one is Oi diphthong. The first part of this diphthong is slightly more open than O long vowel and glides toward I, which is in the closed front position, as in boy. So we have only 3 diphthongs end with I. Let's now study the closing diphthongs end with O. The first one is O diphthong. The glide begins from position of the sound schwa, moving up towards O sound, which is in the back closed position, as in home. The last one is Ow sound. This diphthong begins with a vowel similar to I. Since this is an open vowel, a glide from O would necessitate a large movement, and the tongue often does not reach the O position. There is only slightly rounding, as in house. That's all about closing diphthongs. Let's describe centering diphthongs too. We have 3 centering diphthongs in English. All of them end with schwa sound. The first one is ia diphthong. The starting point for this diphthong is a little closer than I, as in here. The second sound is sound. This diphthong begins with a vowel sound that is more open than I, as in scares. The last one is ua diphthong. This diphthong has a starting point similar to O, as in hour. So with that being said, we have completed the description of English diphthongs. We have reached the end of the video. Do you think so? Surely not. There is one last thing. Have you ever heard about triphthongs? I suppose no. So let's explain them. First, let's know what are triphthongs. Triphthongs are voice sounds that are produced with a glide from one vowel position to another, then to a third one. All triphthongs are a combination from closing diphthong plus schwa. The first one is aya, which is composed of diphthong A plus the vowel sound schwa, as in player. The second one is aya, which is composed of diphthong I plus the vowel sound schwa, as in fire. The third one is oya, which is composed of diphthong oi plus the vowel sound schwa, as in loyal. Next we have oa, which is composed of the diphthong o plus the vowel sound schwa, as in lower. The last one is awa, which is composed of the diphthong ow plus the vowel sound schwa, as in hour. Finally, we have reached the end of the video. Now pause the video and try to describe the following vowels. Thanks for watching and I hope you learned something useful. See you in the next video. Goodbye.